thirst. When you're thirsty, that means you're desiring something, you want something, you're feeling things. And a thirst trap is basically, it is a trap that you create to generate thirst in another person. So you put that out there and you trap them. They are parched and they want more. So for me, selfies have been a really great medium to kind of rethink my fucked up relationship with cameras. The first thing you should do when you meet your partner is be like, what is the intention? You know, what are we trying to do here? Ask your partner, like, do we want, like, we doing a LinkedIn photo? You know, real, like, professional? Are we doing, like, the Finsta photo? You know, like, and maybe it starts out as a LinkedIn photo, you feel yourself and you end up at the Finsta photo. I like shooting through scarves sometimes to create my own filters. One of the best things you can do when you're taking someone else's selfie or your own is get fucking low. So you want to get low. Like if you're taking your friend's selfie here, that's cool, but if you get low, you're gonna look like a boss ass bitch. Or I love to like take off my shoe. We'll get into this, but like, bam. We got a fucking tripod. So the rule of thirds, this is a really simple like compositional rule. It's basically if you like divide a photo into like this grid, if the subject of the photo aligns with one of these lines, it's gonna be it's pleasing to the eye. But also break the fucking rules. There are no rules in the game of selfies. I think as a practice, like it's something I try to remember to like quiet the inner critic. If we could apply that same logic when we're going through our selfies, again, that shit can be mad triggering. Sometimes you feel cute and then the camera just didn't get what you felt. And like also trying to figure out like what's working here so that you can try to replicate those things and be like, okay, I know like when I'm shot at eye level, or I know like when I sit like this, my ass looks fat or whatever it is, and those are things that help me feel good. There can't possibly be enough documentation of us feeling good in our body.